AI-powered homes of future billionaires. You won't believe it, the creator. Imagine a home that understands your every mood, need, and comfort, adjusting itself without you even saying a word. The creator brings you an exclusive glimpse into the futuristic AI-powered homes of billionaires. Glowing Star AI Design Homes, where everything is smart. Future billionaire homes won't just be luxurious, they'll be completely AI-driven. Here, technology isn't just an option, it's a way of life. These homes will think, learn, and make decisions on their own. White heavy checkmark smart AI architecture, every corner will be perfectly optimized. White heavy checkmark self-learning home system, learns your preferences automatically. White heavy checkmark 100% automation, everything operates at a single command. Door AI home automation, your home at your voice command. Forget about switches, your home will function with just your voice. Backhand index pointing right smart AI door, unlocks with face recognition. Backhand index pointing right voice controlled lighting, just say, "Hey AI, turn on mood lighting," and it's done. Backhand index pointing right advanced temperature control, your home's climate will adjust to match your mood. Sounds like science fiction? It's about to become a reality. Fork and knife with plate AI-powered kitchen, no more cooking hassles. Future billionaires won't need chefs because their AI-powered kitchen will handle everything. Fire smart fridge, orders groceries automatically. Fire AI robotic chef, prepares your favorite meal in minutes. Fire self-cleaning system, the kitchen stays spotless all the time. Imagine waking up to find your perfect breakfast ready without lifting a finger. Could life get any better? Video game AI entertainment and ultimate luxury. Future homes won't just be smart, they'll be super entertaining too. Headphone AI home theater, selects movies based on your mood. Video game VR gaming room, play games as if you're living in them. Television holographic TV, no screen, just floating images in the air. Bed smart bed, adjusts itself for your perfect sleep. Just think, before sleeping, you simply say, "Hey AI, play the best movie," and it starts instantly. That's the future. Recycling symbol AI eco-friendly homes, the perfect balance of nature and technology. Luxury will no longer be just about comfort, it will be eco-friendly too. Sun with face AI solar panels, adjust automatically for maximum energy efficiency. Droplet smart water recycling, every drop will be reused efficiently. Herb vertical gardens, bring fresh oxygen and greenery inside your home. Billionaire homes of the future will blend technology and nature seamlessly. Would you like to live in an AI home? So, friends, the creator just gave you a glimpse into the futuristic AI lifestyle of billionaires. Speech balloon, what do you think? Would you want to live in a house like this? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the creator for more exciting future tech updates. Fire, the future is here, are you ready? Fire.